It vanished sometime during the night. We've got to find it, grab a hat. It's time to solve this mystery flat. Under the bed, just dust and fluff. Behind the door, nope, just a puff. We asked the ducky in the sink. He said, I saw it, I think. We searched the drawer with the red balloons. We peeked inside the silver spoons. Then in the closet, what a sight. A sleepy sock said, turn off the light. Was it eaten by the laundry beast? Did the puppy think it was a feast? Mom said, check your toy box pile. And sure enough, it winked a smile. It hid beneath my robot toy. That silly sock, full of joy. I hugged it close and gave a cheer. You tricky thing, come back here. Now both socks are snug and tight, wiggling toes in cozy delight. Next time one goes missing, see, just ask your toys to help you and me.